Hi everyone, my name is Maria. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a makeup artist and a green beauty expert, and I usually come on here a few times a month to offer you product tips, reviews, and other skincare information that I think that you are going to benefit from. Today, I'm going to talk about subscription boxes. I'm not a subscriber to any box myself, but I was gifted this beautiful box, which I'm going to review today. Now, the reason that I don't subscribe to any boxes is that the ones that I've seen out there, I think just contain a lot of stuff that I wouldn't use every month. So I'm not into getting a lot of product every month. And as someone who runs their own online shop and has its own vendors for skincare and makeup, I have a lot of stuff already that I love talking about and using. But as with all my other videos, I never use or support something that doesn't resonate with me. I am going to be turning 44 this weekend, and so my skin needs might not be the same as yours. However, everything that I always provide is honest, and I offer tips on kind of simplifying your beauty routine and kind of getting everything to work in a way that is not overwhelming. So we're gonna get to the review in a minute, but if you like what you see here today, please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you can get notified the next time I post a video. So let's get to it. Okay, everyone, so the subscription box that I'm talking about is made by Clean Kiss, which is a clean personal product and skincare company from outside of Toronto. Now, they have created a subscription box, which I was lucky enough to get my hands on. So this is called Find Your 40s, Find Your Fabulous, or Find Your 40, I guess. Oops. Okay, Find Your Fabulous. Now, as someone who is in her 40s, I can definitely attest that I don't find that a lot of subscription boxes cater to women over 40. A lot of the products sometimes can be young and cater to a younger market, or they can be just kind of like random products. So what I really love is the fact that this subscription box caters to the needs of the skin. If you're, 35, 40 and up, I think you would love something like this. So the box is also going to be catered to your needs every 4 months. So this is the fall box that I have here right now. These are in limited quantity. So if you like what you see here today, go grab your box. And again, the company's Clean Kiss. Okay, so the products that are inside are definitely something that you would love to use every single day. Clean Kiss is known for their deodorants. So you get a full-size deodorant. This comes in a glass jar. It has a stainless steel lid or metal lid. Okay, metal lid. And the scent on this is the lavender peppermint. Okay, now this deodorant does have baking soda, so keep that in mind if you are sensitive to that. But it smells amazing. Beautiful balance of the lavender and the mint. Very invigorating, and it would smell very, very fresh on. So I just got this, and I'm just very excited to be going through everything. The other thing you get, which is very on par with what's happening in our world right now, is a purse size of a hand sanitizer. And this is in so it's aloe vera and essential oils. And, it's perfect to keep in your purse. You need to have these on hand all the time now. So I really love the small size. And I also love the fact that it is refillable, because if you do get a bigger bottle of hand sanitizer, you can actually refill it. So that's very handy. Now, the other thing that you get is this sustainable toothbrush. This comes with charcoal bristles and the lovely bamboo handle. Now, toothbrushes should be changed frequently, but I know for myself, I feel bad throwing out my toothbrush. I usually use a mechanical toothbrush, and even, the bristle heads, like throwing that out, I have to think about it, a few times. So amazing if you want to be switching to something like this, and you'll be getting a new one every 4 months, so you don't actually have to think about it. You'll get a replacement, and you can just toss the old one out without feeling too guilty. So very, very handy. And now two of the products here that are for the skin. Okay, so Clean Kiss makes beautiful products as well for the skin. And as I mentioned before, if you are in your late 30s or in your 40s, your skin can actually have completely different needs, especially in the fall when the weather starts to get cooler. So what I love is that you get the Kiss Me Every Day. This is the everyday moisturizer. It's a moisturizing cream. And I love the ingredients in this. You apply it, in the daytime on cleansed skin, but it contains chamomile water. Now, this is their first ingredient, and it's kind of rare to find that. I haven't found another moisturizer that has chamomile water as their first ingredient. It smells fantastic, and as you can see, I've made a little dip in here just to test it out. And the texture is fantastic on this product. It also contains raspberry seed oil, shea butter, jojoba seed. It has some of my favorite moisturizing ingredients, especially for my skin. So the other ingredients that it has that I really love in there is the mango seed butter. I love moisturizers with mango seed butter because I find that it's rich, but it's really easily absorbed. So, it doesn't leave any, greasiness on your skin, and it smells lovely. Now, if you find that your skin needs something a little bit extra in the fall, you can go in with an oil serum. Okay, this is usually one of my recommendations for the fall. I love that it has this if you can see that little measurement on the side here of the teardropper. And this is the Rose Hip Facial Serum, and it's called Kiss Me You Fool. All right, so this is a blend of rose hip and other plant oils to protect, repair, brighten, and smooth the skin. So let's say you applied your daytime moisturizer and you found that as the temperatures drop outside, it's not enough for your skin. You would just add a couple of drops of your oil serum. You can massage it between your hands, warm it up, and then just massage it on top of your moisturizer. Okay, and that really kind of seals everything in and prepares your skin. It smells lovely. Prepares your skin to step outside, protects it from the elements and from those colder temperatures. Now, the other thing that I love, so Jody, who is the founder and creator of Clean Kiss, and of course this fabulous Find Your 40 box, has also included another product which she is vowing to support in every box, a BIPOC business. So for the fall box, the business is Reward Your Skin, and it's a soap company from Vancouver, BC. And they make these beautiful handcrafted soaps. And this one here smells like a fall day, or maybe it smells like you've been doing some baking. So think of all those warm spices, the cinnamon, the nutmeg. Oh, it smells so amazing. And it comes with this little soap saver, so you can pop it inside and hang it up in the shower, or use the soap saver as a scrubby to exfoliate your skin, get rid of that dry skin, and then go in with like a nice luxurious body cream or a body butter. Now, every box is going to include a surprise item. And for the fall, it is this beautiful scarf. I absolutely love mine. It comes in a couple of different shades. There are only 100 of these boxes. So, of course, it might be more limited what you can get depending on how many boxes are left. But this is 100% cotton. It is so soft, and it's perfect to layer, with a denim jacket on these, slightly cooler days here now in October. And I love scarves. I don't wear too many accessories, but scarves are definitely something that I don't go outside, from the fall all the way into the spring. Okay, and included also in the box is this sample size of protein powder. This is A+ Smoothies, and this is a Styrian pumpkin seed protein powder. So you mix a couple of tablespoons in your favorite smoothie or on your yogurt. This is also made in Canada, and yeah, like I love this. I start my day with the smoothie all the time. So the box is just such a fantastic gift idea. All right, so you can subscribe to it and it will be delivered to you 4 times a year, which I think is really reasonable for finishing a moisturizer or a deodorant, your hand sanitizer, a soap, and also changing your toothbrush. And you know, the box is valued at over 200, but you get it for 75. So I think that is really a fantastic deal. You know, products like this that kind of are consumed daily are really, really easy to get on, you know, to kind of support a box that is going to come to you, and you don't have to think about, you know, replenishing your moisturizer or going out and buying another deodorant when you run out. And I also love the touch of supporting a Black Indigenous business every month, and also the fact that there is a surprise item that, you know, as a woman in my 40s, I seriously want something useful. I try to lead a minimalist lifestyle, and I don't want to be just accumulating stuff. A scarf is a lovely idea. I think even if you didn't need it yourself, and let's say you had hundreds of scarves, you can definitely pass it on to someone else. I love supporting female-owned businesses, and this here today is Clean Kiss. Go check them out on Instagram at Clean Kiss Lifestyle, and also the box now has its own account. It's at Find Your 40 Box on Instagram as well. All right, so if you like what you see here today, please give me a thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Have a fantastic day, everyone. I'll catch you next time.